In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the header transparent in Wix. This is a great way to achieve a sleek, modern aesthetic for your website, allowing your top section's image or color to shine through. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, head over to wix.com. Once you're there, open your project in the Wix Studio Editor. With your site loaded, the first thing you'll want to do is click on your header, which is located at the top section of your page. Now that your header is selected, look to the right-hand side of your screen and you'll see the Inspector panel. Under the Design tab within the Inspector, you'll find an option labeled Background. Click on this and you will see a color picker tool where you can adjust the background color of your header. To make your header transparent, you need to adjust the opacity slider in this color picker. Simply drag it all the way down to 0%, or if you prefer, you can manually enter 0 to achieve transparency. What you're doing here is allowing the backdrop of your web page to only show through where your header normally sits, creating a seamless effect. After making your header transparent, it's often helpful to adjust its z-index and positioning to ensure it floats above all the other sections. It's an optional step, but I highly recommend it for visual continuity. While still in the inspector, navigate to the position setting where you can set the z-index to a higher number. Something like 10 works well. If you want the header to remain visible when you scroll, choose the sticky position. If your first section appears to be cut off or doesn't quite meet where your now transparent header ends, this next part is for you. Select your first section and within the inspector, go to Layout and then Spacing. Adjust the top margin or padding to ensure it tucks right under your header without any visible gap. Another way to bring these elements together is to simply right-click on the section and select Move Section Up. With the transparency in place, you might find that your text or logo becomes harder to read against complex backgrounds. Here's a quick fix. You can add a text shadow. Select your text or menu, and then in the Design panel under Text Effects, add a shadow with a faint dark color. Alternatively, you can overlay a semi-transparent shape on your header. Choose a rectangle to cover the entire header area and set its fill color to either black or white with 10 to 20% opacity. Ensure the shape sits behind the text by sending it to the back. Before you wrap up, it's crucial to check how these changes impact the mobile version of your site. Switch to Mobile View in the top toolbar and verify that all text remains clear and legible. You might need to tweak the header background opacity or add a solid color specially for mobile devices to ensure everything looks just right. Doing this guarantees your site's aesthetic integrity across all devices. And there you have it, a perfectly transparent header that maintains functionality and style on